Hi all, Rene here. Today I have the 2020 limited edition Jolly box from Fat Quarter Shop. These are special edition boxes. You did have to put in a reservation. I don't think they have any still available, but you can check their website and see if they do. I bought this with my own money, didn't get it free, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to give you my impressions. Now this box is a bit more than the regular subscription box. I think this box was around $45, $50. So let's see if we got our money's worth out of this box. So I'll go ahead and open. Really cute box. Put it off to the side. Of course, we get our little paper that tells us everything we got and the value of each thing. So we'll start with, it's a little, just a little notepad. That's actually really cute. It says the value on this is $3.48. That's actually a really good deal. It's by Moda Fabrics, so I bet this might be available. It doesn't say that it's an exclusive to the box, so if you're interested in this, you might want to check their website. That's actually, I think that's a really good price, and that would be really nice little stocking stuffers. I like that a lot. Then we get 2 spools of, I bet this is Aurifil. Let's look and see. Yes, Aurifil 50 weight thread, value $9.96. We have a white and a gray, so always good to have some more thread. Oh, cute. Some little socks. Urban Chicks Oh Dear socks from Moda. Let's open these up. Take a look at them. Get them out of the packaging. Oh, this is a lovely noise on camera, isn't it? Let's see if I can get it out. There we go. Let's just break it. That'll make it work. So these are really cute. Of course, I have some scissors here that I can open this so we can take a look at the socks a little better. It's always fun to have some little Christmas socks. So let's look at these. Oh, those are really cute. They say "Oh dear" on the bottom. They kind of feel like a polyester. Does it say what they are? Well, 65% cotton, 33% nylon, and 2% spandex. So they're the socks. Those are really cute. Let's see what the price is on those. The socks value at $13.98. I gotta tell you, I would never pay $13.98 for socks like this. I'm not even sure I would pay that much for a pair of wool socks, but I'm cheap, so your mileage may vary as far as that goes. But they are cute. I really like this 50s vintage look. You're seeing a lot of it this Christmas, and I'm really glad. Okay, so what do we have here? This is, let's open it. It looks like it might be soft. This is a Shannon Fabrics Infinity Scarf Luxe Cuddle Minky Fabric Pre-Cut, 19 by 36. And what is this supposed to be? So it's be for the back of our quilt. Let's see. Okay, Frost Links Infinity Scarf Kit. Give someone the gift of a warm, cuddly hug. The Luxe Cuddle Infinity Scarf is the best cozy companion on the coldest nights. So I'm guessing, let's open this, and maybe there's a instructions on the inside of this. Nope. Scan for pattern. Okay, you have to scan for the pattern, this little QR code, or go to offers.shannonfabrics.com/pre-cuts. So Shannon Fabrics Infinity Scarf, and this is really, really soft. Really very nice. And I'm probably about the only woman I know that doesn't really care for animal prints, and this is not really an animal print, so I'm really happy for that, because a lot of the stuff you find nowadays is animal print. Am I alone in the not really liking animal prints here? Leave me a comment, let me know if you're an animal print person. And then the fabric. Let's take a look at the fabric. This is the Dear Christmas by the Urban Chicks by Moda. So it's the same as the socks. So let's take a look at this. Looks like it's a couple different things in here. Let's see what we got. So this looks like a charm pack. Yep, this is a charm pack. And what does it say about the charm pack? Charm pack value is $19.98. So, oh, these are cute. Let's just go ahead and open it. I know some people, they're like, oh, I'm never going to get it back. That's true. Never going to get it back to the way it was. So, and this, I don't know if you can see it. It's a really light plaid. Oh, that's really cute. I like that fabric a lot. Cute. Here's a red version of that last really light color. Oh, cute. Love the plaids. And seam, just a different colorway. Again, a different colorway. So I'll go a little faster because it looks like we're getting the same fabrics, just different color combinations. Pink, I like that pink. I like the pink and the teal and the red. Just that I don't know, that 1950s vibe, vintage Christmas. Those are really cute. And then what is this? This is, let's see. Okay. Oh, exclusive panel. Oh, so these two together are worth $19.98. So it's an exclusive panel. Oh, this is really cute. I'm not going to be able to get all of this in the camera at one time. But there's that. Let me flip it over. You get the feet. Oh, and some little cut apart pieces. Oh, and a little, I love that. That's a neat idea. That's the label that you put on the back of your quilt, which is always helpful, so you know who made it, when they made it. And these are really cute. Those would be cute little appliques for other things. So let's see what our quilt pattern looks like. Our quilt pattern, oh, that is cute. Let me show that to you a little closer. That actually looks really, really simple. Finished size 27.5 by 36.5, so that's a good wall hanging. And let's see, what else do we need? We need a 1/2 yard binding and 1 1/3 yards backing. So you don't need much to finish this out. And I know sometimes red can be really hard to match, but there's so many other colors in, so I'm messing up everything, in this charm pack that you don't have to use red. I'm going to see what I have in my stash already. And then I'm just going to use a just a plain muslin background, or I'm sorry, backing, because if it's a wall hanging, you're not going to see the back anyway. So that's nice. That means you don't, if you have a stash of stuff, you don't have to go buy some more stuff to make this project. So that is really cute. So we've got, for the pattern, the value on the pattern is $9.98. And hopefully I did not show you the promo code for the coupon. I don't usually worry about these things because the coupon's not usually on here. It's usually on a separate piece. So let's do the values. So I'm just going to round up because I don't do math very well. So 10, 10, that's 20. The fabric, another 20, so that's 40, 54, 64, 68, and another 3. So $71 for 50. The socks, I think, are a little overpriced, but everything else, I think it's okay. How much was this? The pre-cut for if I find it again, my goodness, I can't find anything. This pre-cut was $13.98, and it's a piece that's 19 by 36. I don't really use minky much, so I don't know if that's a good price on the minky. You might want to look at that yourself, but overall, I think this is a really cute special box. I think this quilt will actually be really fast to put together. I've got some time off from my day job coming up, so maybe I'll spend a little bit of time and make this quick little, because this will be quick, it's just squares. and then insetting, you know, putting this in the middle and binding it. And I mean, that can be easily machine quilted. Just do a wandering kind of a stitch, or you could even do just hashes back and forth on a diagonal. That would look cute too. It looks like the one that they have here that was the sample has little swirls. I don't know if you can see if it comes, will focus. So you can see the little swirls that they did. Looks like there might be some stars and other things that they did on theirs. But I think it's so cute. I don't think you need to worry too much about doing a bunch of fancy quilting on it because there's so much other stuff going on. But if you got a Jolly box, let me know what you think of it. If you didn't get one, do you think maybe you wish you had? Just let me know down below. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.